equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth. Start by powering off your HP15 laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, carefully remove the back cover. You will need to unscrew the screws located at the back of the laptop. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to damage any clips as you work your way around the edges. With the back cover off, locate the camera module. It is usually situated near the top of the laptop, connected by a small ribbon cable. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using the microfiber cloth. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now, gently disconnect the ribbon cable from the camera module. You can do this by lifting the connector latch with your fingernail or the spudger. Once the cable is free, you can remove the old camera module. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop repaired without any hassle. Take your new camera module and align it with the connector. Carefully press the ribbon cable back into the connector and secure it by lowering the latch. Ensure it is firmly in place to avoid any connection issues. After the new camera is installed, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back cover back onto the laptop, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping. Once the back cover is secured, power on your laptop and test the new camera. Open your preferred video conferencing application to check if the camera is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can understand the costs involved before proceeding with any further work. Finally, if you feel uncertain about any step in this process, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. We offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have all the information you need to make the best decision for your laptop repair needs. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the camera on your HP15 laptop. Enjoy your improved video quality and functionality. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.